Welcome to Sales Training for Beginners. I'm Mike. In this video, we'll walk you through the fundamentals of sales to help you kickstart your journey as a successful salesperson. Whether you're new to sales or looking to refresh your skills, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in. Section 1, the basics of sales. Understanding sales. To begin, let's understand what sales is all about. Sales is the art of persuading and convincing potential customers to buy a product or service. It involves a series of steps, from prospecting to closing deals. The sales mindset. One of the most critical aspects of sales is your mindset. Maintaining a positive attitude, resilience, and a strong work ethic is essential for success in this field. We'll explore how to develop a winning mindset. Section 2, Sales Techniques. Building rapport. Building rapport with your prospects is key to making successful sales. We'll delve into techniques for establishing trust and a connection with your potential customers. Effective communication. Effective communication is the cornerstone of successful sales. We'll cover the art of active listening, asking open-ended questions, and being a great conversationalist. Section 3, Prospecting and Lead Generation. Finding potential customers. Prospecting is the process of finding potential customers or leads. We'll explore various methods, including cold calling, networking, and using online platforms. Qualifying leads. Not all leads are equal. We'll discuss how to qualify your leads, focusing your efforts on those most likely to convert into customers. The sales presentation. The sales presentation is your chance to shine. We'll provide tips on crafting an engaging sales pitch that highlights the value of your product or service. Handling objections. In sales, objections are inevitable. We'll guide you on how to handle objections professionally and turn them into opportunities. Closing the sale. Closing the deal is the ultimate goal. We'll cover strategies for confidently asking for the sale and ensuring a successful close. Well, you've made it to the end of our Sales Training for Beginners Crash Topics crash course. We've covered the basics, from understanding the sales process to building rapport, prospecting, and closing deals. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more in depth about each of the topics, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and don't forget to leave your questions or feedback in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, sales is a dynamic field that requires continuous learning and practice. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Every no brings you closer to a yes. Keep honing your skills, and you'll see your success grow. Thank you for joining us today.